Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm going through a really hard time when it comes to finding the perfect weekly spread. So I decided to try some weekly spreads and share it with you all. This will be a new series on my channel and it's called the Weekly Episodes Season 1. And this is Episode 1. In this series, I will be uploading videos every time I try a new weekly spread, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of these videos. For now, I'm planning to try it every week. Let's see how it goes. For the current spread, I've divided 2 pages into 8 equal blocks. The first 7 blocks are for 7 days of the week. And the 8th block is for my weekly habits. In this space, I write all the habits that I want to practice in my daily life. This is split into morning and evening. Adding some details with tiny doodles, coloring them, and some washi tape, because my bullet journal is incomplete without these. In case you're wondering about the supplies that I'm using, it was all mentioned in the beginning of this video, and if you have missed that, don't worry, I've mentioned all the details in the description box below, so check that out. Here's the finished spread, and hope you all enjoyed the episode 1 of Weekly Episodes Series 1. If you liked today's video, then you'll enjoy watching these videos as well, so just click on them to watch. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.